What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a special day, which you probably saw in the thumbnail, so it's not really a surprise, but we're gonna treat it as a surprise. I have a surprise for you guys, and it is right here. This is my new back wheel. Just picked it up from J&R Bikes. It is amazing. As you saw in the last video, if you watched it, I blew up my wheel. I'm gonna put that here. No. So I had a new one built up. It's sort of the same as the old one, but it's a little bit different to save some weight. So again, we have the Profile Elite with the titanium driver. This time we put some titanium bolts. We got the titanium spokes, and now we have alloy nipples all the way around. And then I used to run the 7KA. I decided to switch over to the Alienation Felon. So overall, this wheel is gonna save about probably 6 ounces from my old one, which is just insane. So I'm really stoked on it, and I'm excited to get off the Profile Mini with no tie except for the driver. So I'm gonna get this on the bike, and then we're gonna go down to St. Pete and have a session. All right, just to give you a little sound check, this is the Mini that I've been riding, so pretty loud. And then this is my old Elite. Decent. Now, the piece de resistance, the new wheel. Ooh, that puppy purrs. Let's get this tube on. All right, she's on there. That took a while, and that's just great. I love that on my new rim that I freaking scratched it putting on the tube, but it's gonna happen, so whatever. So we're gonna go. Ooh, that sounds lovely. Oh man. So anyways, I'm gonna head on over to St. Pete Skate Park and catch a bit of a session and try out the new wheel and get some clips. So let's go. Dude, that is insane. Alright, bike's loaded up. Alright, so we're in my car. I'm gonna drive to the skate park. I just want to say a few things before we get there. It is honestly insane how much I think 7 to 8 ounces on a back wheel makes. Like, that difference is nuts. When I picked up that wheel, it was a feather, especially compared going from the Profile Mini with just the tie driver, no tie spokes, and the 7KA rim to now this thing. Like, it is nuts. Hey neighbor, I'm just here vlogging. But it is honestly so nuts. Like, I feel the difference picking up the bike. I wonder how much of a difference it's gonna make actually riding. So I'm pretty stoked, and this is gonna be a good session. I'm pumped. This is the first time in a while where my bike has felt pretty dialed, especially since from that crash clip where I just destroyed my wheel. Play it again. Here it is again. No. But anyways, stoked to have it. Again, it's a Profile Elite tie driver, tie bolts, aluminum axle, tie spokes, alloy nipples, and the Alienation Felon rim. The only thing I have to say about the Felon rim is it was a pain in the ass to put on the tube. The tire. Like, I almost filmed me putting on the tire, but I was seriously getting so frustrated. Like, it took me 25 minutes to get on the first time. Then I started pumping up the tube, and of course I had a leak. I punctured it. So then I had to take it off, get a new tube, put the tube on, got it, and it seems like it's okay. But I have a feeling like it's gonna explode or something, knowing my luck. All right, just pulled up to St. Pete. My little homie's here.
What's up, man?
And I brought him something, because he's one of the dopest guys I know.
Whoa! No. Hey, JR.
Yeah, wait, hold on. Ready? This is our handshake. Oh wait, no, we messed up. We messed up. He's figuring it out. He's figuring out a t-shirt.
I think I'm back.
There you go. Yeah, dude, that looks sick.
Is that like your company or something?
Yeah. What do you think? Best shirt you've ever worn?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll shrink a little bit in the wash, but you're good. You look dope.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. Bam. Alright guys, bit of a plot twist. No one showed up at St. Pete, so I'm in my backyard. We're gonna film some clips on this and ride the wheel and kind of give it a bit of a review and see how it is, because I've only ridden it that night at St. Pete, but again, no one showed up, so I didn't get any clips. But yeah, we're gonna put it to the test, ride in my backyard, and have some fun. So check the clips. Problem with those Vader hops up there, it's just the deck is so bouncy, so it feels like I'm gonna go shooting off, but oh well, we got it. All right, excuse the sketchiness on that flare. I'm gonna go back up and retry and get it a little bit cleaner. Honestly guys, this wheel is just blowing my mind. Like, I think I shaved, he almost killed me. I think I shaved about 6 to 8 ounces on it. That much of a difference is insane. Like, the back end is so responsive. Like, it just whips around real quick, and it's just like, it's a lot easier to control, so I'm pretty stoked. On that note, let's give a little tail up air go and see how quick it comes around. So here it is. That's honestly nuts. Like, it felt like it just floated right around. I mean, I did go from riding the Profile Mini with no tie except for the driver. I mean, just the difference is insane. Like, I just barely pushed it and it came whipping right around. So I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I'm super stoked on this wheel. It's absolutely insane. It's loud, it's mean, it's lightweight. I love it. But anyways, you know what to do. Follow me on Instagram at @TheRealJRHobbs. Follow my clothing company at LYMBMX. Buy some shirts at lymbmx.com. We have a ton of shirts. We got tall tees, we got jackets, we got hats. So head over on there to get yourself something. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. See ya.